Good morning vlog. I look crazy because I just woke up, but welcome to the weekend vlog full of, I don't know if we're going Black Friday shopping or not. Probably not. I know we're going to a boot store today. And then tomorrow we're just chilling. And then we fly home Sunday, so you get to see the travel home vlog. And then that's kind of our crazy weekend in a nutshell. But I'm so excited to bring you guys along because I love being around my family and showing them off and everything. So let's get going.
My shit finna turn orange.
No, it's not.
Because you do I don't even know what color that is, to be honest.
Orange, it's
It
peach.
Yeah, peach. Yeah, bro. You look like, bro. You look peach, bro. A peach gobbler, bro. You looking like a turkey. You know? Goddamn.
No, it's not. Just wash it on cold, and there's not a difference. Put it in the...
Look, bro, on the package, it says cold water and just Tide Pods.
What package?
If you went to college, you would know.
I do my own laundry.
But you obviously don't know. If you knew, you would know. You obviously. You do your own laundry. You do.
Says the guy who's throwing whites and darks in the same load.
I'm leaving to go back to college.
So put the Tide Pod in there.
You're beige. If it turns that goddamn color or that color or that color, I'm gonna lose it.
Do you see where those colors are? With darks.
Bro, I'm throwing white shit in it, bro.
Well,
too.
Yeah, the only whites is your underwear.
And my goddamn gray sweatpants.
Green sweatpants?
Gray.
Those are dark. That's a dark load.
Cold.
No, cold warm. Cold warm.
There's no cold warm. There's warm, there's warm cold, there's cold, there's hot cold, and extra hot cold.
Dude, it's right there. Warm cold.
You said cold warm.
Dude. It doesn't matter. The difference. It's the two words. You have... Close the door. No, the door.
I need the softeners. I did everything right. To your happiness.
Yes. Except for you didn't put more of my clothes in there.
It is full. It is full.
Take out his socks. Is that all? Idiot. Bye, Grammy. Bye, Grandpa. Okay, I am about to pack my suitcase to figure out how to put a PS4 in my suitcase safely. So let's go ahead and try that. We have to try a bunch of different ideas, so this might take a while. I don't know if I'm gonna film this, but we'll see. Okay, I am all packed. I got the PS4 in there. I think it'll be fine because I'm not checking my bag. But it's very risky. Very risky. So I'm going to go enjoy the rest of the day with my family. And if we do anything, I'll catch you up. Headed to the airport to take my brother.
I should be good, right?
Okay, so I'm currently trying to repack my suitcase because my PS4 I was just given to take with me so I can play video games. I forgot that I would have to take it out in security, so I had to repack this bad boy really quickly. Oh gosh. Currently 4:20. What? Yeah, I did. 4:20 and we are headed to the airport.
Money?
I used $2.
Oh, it's only 2?
Well, it was only 2. I think this is the first time I've worn it up since I've hit my extensions. When I mean this walk is so inconvenient, I mean like these things aren't working. I went from gate 30? I'll have to go all the way to 3. Yet it's all the way at the other end from where I was dropped off. It's so far. Like it's the farthest gates. Like that's how far. Like that's only one part that I've walked, and this is just to get to 1 through 4.
Yeah. Just moved to Orlando.
Yeah.
I mean, to US like 6 months.
I just unpacked my suitcase. I am home, and now I'm just going to relax for the rest of the day. I have to go grocery shopping. Don't know if I'm going to take you along with that, but we'll see. Okay, I'm back in my apartment. Got all my groceries. That's what I get for not stocking my fridge or pantry before I left, so let's unpack. Restocked, along with the cereal is restocked and the fridge is restocked. And now we're gonna set up our meals for the week. Okay, so I'm about to make myself lunch, which is gonna be granola and yogurt, and tonight is a free night for dinner. So I might just keep it super low key and either have ramen or have some cereal because I'm just so exhausted. Like I can start eating healthy like tomorrow, but like I need a tiny little break. So anyways, right now I am just putting everything away.
Show is a 10.
It's admirable.
I've got to say, I just went to CVS. But I gotta say, I love walking around places because I just love it. It's a need. Back from CVS, we got a place in Fortnite.